If you've ever opened Tinkercad and wondered how to zoom in and out quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you every easy way to zoom in Tinkercad, whether you're using a mouse, keyboard, trackpad, or the built-in toolbar controls. And I'll also show you a few pro shortcuts that can save you a lot of time when you're designing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump in. The first and most common way to zoom in Tinkercad is with your mouse scroll wheel. If you're using a mouse, simply roll the scroll wheel forward to zoom in and roll it backward to zoom out. This is usually the fastest method because it gives you smooth control over how close or far you want to be from your design. If you want to inspect tiny details, just scroll in a little more. If your work area feels too close or cluttered, scroll back to zoom out and see more of the workspace. If you're using a keyboard, Tinkercad also lets you zoom in and out with plus and minus keys. Press the plus key to zoom in and the minus key to zoom out. This can be really useful if you don't want to keep moving your hand to the mouse wheel, or if you want a more precise shortcut while working. It's a simple option, but it makes navigation much easier once you get used to it. If you're on a laptop or using a trackpad, you can zoom with a two-finger gesture. To zoom in, spread your fingers apart on the trackpad. To zoom out, pinch your fingers together. This works just like zooming on your phone or tablet, and it's a very natural way to move around your design if you're not using a mouse. You can also zoom using the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Look for the plus and minus icons on the navigation bar. Click the plus icon to zoom in, and click the minus icon to zoom out. This is a great backup method if you're not comfortable with shortcuts yet, or if you just want to control the zoom by clicking. Now let's talk about a few pro tips that can make your workflow much faster. One of the best shortcuts in Tinkercad is Fit to View. If you select a shape and press F, Tinkercad will instantly zoom in and center the camera on that object. This is incredibly useful when you're working on a small part and don't want to waste time searching for it on the canvas. Another helpful option is Fit All. If your design gets spread out across the workspace and you want to see everything again, click the bracket icon at the top of the left toolbar. This will zoom out until every object in your design is visible on the screen. It's one of the easiest ways to regain control when your workspace feels too zoomed in or too messy. And if you ever feel lost or want to reset everything back to the default view, click the home icon. This brings your camera back to the starting position and helps you return to a clean, familiar view. It's especially useful after rotating around a model or zooming into a small area for detailed editing. So just to recap, you can zoom in Tinkercad with your mouse scroll wheel, your keyboard plus and minus keys, a trackpad pinch gesture, or the zoom buttons on the toolbar. And if you want to work even faster, remember the F shortcut for Fit to View, the bracket icon for Fit All, and the home icon to reset your view. That's how you zoom in Tinkercad the easy way. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly design tips, and leave a comment if you want to learn more Tinkercad shortcuts in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.